Hi there, I would like to show you how you can properly maintain your Ryobi 18 volt 1 Plus P2008 trimmer and edger. I've been using mine for 4 years. Almost trouble-free, but with a little maintenance, it is virtually trouble-free. I've used this thing countless times. I use it to trim around cars at work. I bring it home. I make my grass look so good. It edges and cuts lines so nice, so deep. But every now and then you do need to get a little maintenance going so you can get peak performance. There's going to be 3 things you have to do down here, and that's it. And I'll show you those 3 things you need to make sure you adjust, you clean, you sharpen. Doesn't take long at all to make sure you're getting the best results out of here. First thing, this is what cuts your line right here. This is what cuts your line. Now, this Phillips head screw will come loose over time, and you need to screw that in real tight, okay? Now, you have different options as far as how long you want your trimmer length to be. If you turn it to the inside, you're gonna get a little bit shorter trimmer length. Might save you some feed, might save you a little battery, or you can turn it out and get it a little longer. I leave mine out. I like it long, okay? I really do like it long. So that's what I do there. That's gonna be one thing that's important. Second thing that's important is right here, this plastic cup here, which works with the automatic feeder. Over time, the more you hit the concrete with this, the plastic's going to wear away, and eventually it's not going to fit on here anymore. It's just going to come off. And also what provides the tension to lock it in place. I'll show you how this eventually, depending on how careful you are, those little tabs right there will break off. You can go pick you up a new one over at Home Depot for about $6, I believe. Over 4 years and countless trimming and edging with this tool, I've probably bought 3 extra ones so far, okay? So that's number 2. Number 3, this cutting thing should be sharp. It's gonna hit right here. It's gonna cut your line. It's gonna work with the automatic feed. So when you have that tight, you still need this sharp. I like to take a super fine little sandpaper pad right here. Costs next to nothing at the store. And you'll notice one side is sloped. One side is sloped like it's from Asia, okay? And that's the side you really wanna pay attention to. And you simply just sand. You sand. It's gonna make it really sharp. So when that line comes out and it gets too long, whoop, it's gonna cut it right off. That's all you need to do to maintain this thing. This is not a heavy duty, super duty edger trimmer, but it is convenient and it's lightweight. Even a woman could use this. And I've made, look by this old Navigator. You know, I trimmed all that with it. Grass is thick, the grass is hardy. It's a little wet too. Cleared out a whole section back here using the trimmer where the zero-turn mower wouldn't get to. I mean, it's really a good product. I highly recommend. Now, if you're dealing with the thickest of grass and you have weeds growing in it and crabgrass and stuff, it's gonna struggle a little bit. It will struggle a little bit, but I've never had to buy anything else. And I maintain my home and a little bit of work because it's easier than using this big, heavy gas-powered twin line that we have. I just bring my little doodaddy over here. So that's how you can properly maintain your Ryobi P2008 edger trimmer. It's a great tool. Ryan for Silly Reviews, I thank you for watching. By the time 09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate. How about